Curry becomes fond of ripe animals. Fond का मतलब होता है शौकीन होना. He believes in self help. He always believes in self help is the best. If you are in problem, you are the first person to help yourself. Others will listen and then come to help you. The first quality we need to learn that how to help ourselves. Then only God will help us. So this quality was there in this elephant, much to the discomfort of his friend. And this elephant never wanted to just discomfort means hurt his friends and honor or other animals. That must be this quality of this animal with quite dignity, and he has his respect in his life also. Curry accepts the chiding, and whenever there is mistake of his side is ready to accept it because he know this he deserves this punishment. Curry was like a baby. He had to be trained to be good, and if you did not tell him when he was naughty, he was up to more mischief than ever. It was very certain that good habits and manners must be taught to this elephant, because when it becomes bigger in size it is more difficult to control and teach him good values and things in life to control, because it will be out of control. The same formula, the same activity is going to be applied students in our life. If the students are very smaller, if they are not guided well in the very school life when they are child, when become young they are going not to learn lots of things. So these all must be taught in the very beginning of life. For instance, one day somebody gave him some bananas to eat. One day somebody gave him banana to eat, and that became the habit of elephant to take. And one day when there was banana in the room of the narrator kept, stealthily Curry entered and took all the bananas and went away, and there was completely disturbance in the family. Everyone was surprised where the banana has gone, and each and every person was inquired in the family. No one accepted this, that I have taken and he has taken and she has taken. No one agreed, and the blame was on the servant. Next time the same incident took place. Once again, Kari took the banana, and this time the blame was on the author. After that, one day, narrator went to the pavilion, the place where elephant used to live, means its residence. What he saw there, he saw that a banana was there and kept all around. He did not believe. He thought that this is the animal, and its habit is to use to eat only branches, not bananas. So he did not believe in eyes and ignored the matter. But the reality was that all the banana was vanishing from the room of the narrator, was going to be eaten by elephant himself. One day, author decided why not to take. He became greedy and decided why not to take banana without the permission of parents. At the same time, what he saw that something black from the window came, and he understood that it is snake which is coming, and he became very frightened. And this was not a snake, it was the trunk of the elephant which took all the bananas and went away. Narrator followed and went back out of the room for looking where this banana is going, being taken. After that, what is sure that it is the elephant Curry who is taking all the bananas and reaching to the pavilion, sitting with the very enjoy and carefully and enjoying the banana sitting there. He was completely surprised, taken aback looking this situation because what he saw banana was just splashed all around and Curry was enjoying all the thing. That instant Chunk looked like a black snack. The moment Elephant came to the room of the narrator, he thought that it was a snake, but he realized now that it is Curry who stole all the banana, and blame was going to be either on servant or on the narrator himself. I went to him, pulled him out by the ear, and jealously showed my parents that it was Curry and not I that had eaten all the fruits those many weeks. And he showed all these things. The reality came in the eyes of all the family members, and they understood. And very beautiful things have been just given here in this story by the narrator that I scold him for elephants children. It has been just told very good that if you scold the child and tell them not to repeat the wrong things, all the same elephant understand the feelings of hatred and love. If you are going to chide, if you are going to scold, they are also not going to repeat the same thing. But if without any reason you are going to beat, you are going to harm this elephant, they are not going to forgive you. Their action will be against you, so they will take action against him and you will be in problem. But if there is mistake from their side and you are going to punish, they will speak nothing, they will say nothing, they will tolerate their your all activity, your all action taken against this elephant.